Good morning, children. This is a revision video of lesson number 2 and the poem The Flower School. Here, B bit. Complete the passage with the correct words from the brackets. First one. Dash shelf is the one where my brother has kept his awards. This, THIS, this. Dash award is the one that Eamon won in the basketball championship. This or those. Only one award they are saying, so it is this. This award is the one that Eamon won in the basketball championship. Next, he was only 7 years old at dash time. That time means the time which has been passed away. That time. He had even won dash badminton tournament in school. A badminton tournament in school. Can you see dash little medals on that board? On that board, that indicates the object is far. So, those little medals on that board. Sixth one. Dash medals were the ones he won after we shifted to dash city last year. This city last year. Now coming to vocabulary. These are the meanings of the words, that is phrases: come along, accompany, come by, find accidentally, come through, succeed in dealing with a situation, come up with, imagine or produce, come around to, agree, come down with, fall sick. So these are the phrases with their meanings. Now try to complete this in sentences. Complete these sentences with the correct forms of the phrasal verbs from the table. So, just now we learned the phrasal words with their meanings. Now we have to fill up in this. The first one. If we talk to Mohan, he might dash our views on the class picnic. Come around. To. Come around to. Now second one. My mother will dash with me to the concert. My mother will come along with me to the concert. Third one. Anand dash these earrings while searching for his pen under the bed. Anand came by these earrings while searching for his pen under the bed. Fourth one. If I work hard enough for this exam, I will be able to come through. Fifth one. No one was able to dash a solution to the problem. Come up with a solution to the problem. Sixth one. Rimmel dash fever after staying out in the rain all day. Rimmel come down with fever after staying out in the rain all day. Write down the meaning of these words. You can refer to a dictionary. First one, interrupted. Cause obstruction. Stopped or break into what someone was saying or doing. But remember, just interrupted, cause obstruction. Second one, flogged, heard or went in a group. Horrified, third one, cause horror, shocked and filled with fear. Cellar, fourth one is cellar, underground room used for storing things. Fifth one, pale, P-A-L-E, pale, faint or yellow, having less color than usual because of fear. Rewrite these sentences by putting exclamation marks in the correct places. First one, hurrah, we have won the match. You need to put exclamation near the word hurrah because it shows a sudden feeling or surprised. Second one, fire, run out of the building immediately. Fire, when you are saying fire, it's a sudden experience. Suddenly you heard that there was a fire. So put an exclamation mark there. Third one, oh no, it has started to rain. Put exclamation mark near oh no. Fourth one, yum, this cake is delicious. So you should put exclamation mark near yum. Fifth one, oops, I dropped the spoon. So near oops, you need to put an exclamation mark. Sixth one, there has been a terrible accident nearby. There has been a terrible accident nearby. The poem The Flower School. The Flower School was written by Rabindranath Tagore. Written by Rabindranath Tagore. Born on 1861 and died on 1941. He was famous Bengali writer. Rabindranath Tagore was a famous Bengali writer who was also known for his contributions to the art and music. What he is? He is a famous Bengali writer and he awarded Nobel Prize in Literature, and he was the first Asian to be awarded the prize in 1913. Hope that everyone understood today's class. Thank you.